Hey everyone, Greg here. This article I wrote was less than 24 hours ago about why is Lambeau Field called the frozen tundra, and already it's on page one of Google right here. This is my site, and then also within Bing, this is the one of the top organic listings. So you get answer box, people also ask, and then the organic listing within Bing. Again, to go back in Google, it's in the middle of page one of Google. And one thing I like to point out is that I'm using incognito as well. So this is not personalized results. These are actual real results. Another thing within Google is that if you go to the images, this is my image right here. So it's in the top row within Google. If I go into Bing, go to images, this is the page for the stadium reviews. So a couple things. If you have not taken the SEO workshop that I offer, I go over how to find topics like this to cover on your website to essentially rank quickly within Google and Bing. I go over all the steps about how to find the topics, how to find the questions, ways to optimize images just like this to get into Google and Bing, and then finally how to use a tool like Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools to then crawl the content immediately to have both bots essentially index that content and to show it within their own results. So the SEO workshop goes over this in full detail, and enjoy.